We are pleased to show you the 2020
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, xenon headlights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.